Alright, so I got these vile, these fucking vile looking gummies, from the shop. I opened it just to look at, like, what they look like. One second. So, it actually looks like a pickle. What the fuck? Right, so, one second. See if I can get this open. I'm gonna try it and see if it actually tastes like a pickle, but I don't think it is gonna taste like a pickle. There's more chance that it tastes like just like a sour gummy, like a regular sour gummy you get off the shop. So, this is fucking hard to open, this is. Hold on, one second. Right, alright. I've got it open. So, here it... This video is taking way too long. So here it is. It looks like a fucking pickle. Fucking... It's weird. It's like... kind of like... It's kind of like a sweet, kind of like appley. It's weird. It's not quite a like a cucumber or like a pickle taste. It's more of like a like just like a sour candy. Well, it says here it's supposed to taste like pickle. They're not bad.